Hi everyone, Patrick here. I thought I'd take a few minutes to just talk to you about a really interesting expo which is on in London next week in the Excel, and it's called the White Label World Expo. So this is a leading online retail sourcing show. So it's a perfect destination for manufacturers to showcase to us what they're selling, and it's also a perfect opportunity for us as online sellers to go along and talk to the manufacturers and to do business with them in the world of white labeling. Now, what is white labeling? It's that opportunity which you have as an online seller to basically create your own brand, whether it be in the world of cosmetics or food or manufacturing, any category at all that you would like to make your own. Why is it important? Well, it's important because there's a lot of online competition at the moment, and a lot of us that are selling major brands have to compete with everybody else. So in order to build up a brand that you can afterwards call your own, why not get it white labeled? Why not create your own brand with your own identity so that you can sell your products to the marketplace, and all that effort that you make is building your own brand. So there's a lot to be said for that. And that's what the White Label World Expo is all about. So it's over 2 days and it's well worth visiting. Now, not only are you going to have the opportunity to meet manufacturers, to strike up relationships, to work out who your suppliers could be, you're also going to have the opportunity to tune into some really excellent seminars. Seminars talking about everything in the world of online marketing, whether it be selling on Amazon, how to organize your Black Friday sales, whether it be the latest strategies in PPC advertising or SEO strategies, everything that you need to know. There's going to be experts there in different seminars for you to attend. And the best about it all, it's absolutely free. It's absolutely free because the organizers of the show obviously are giving the opportunity to manufacturers, and they're saying, lads, we're going to bring the audience to you. You afterwards sell to them. So there's a quid pro quo on all levels, and it's an opportunity for you to go and check out what's going on in the marketplace. Now, they've done all sorts of surveys during the last few years, and they've come up with all sorts of stats which will help you understand the importance going forward of white labeling in general. They've done surveys asking consumers, well, would you buy a brand that you wouldn't recognize if it was nicely presented? And they've said yes. So there's all sorts of stats which you can check out on their website and on their different sources that they have come up with. So I really would invite you to check out their website, which there'll be a link that you'll be able to see it up here, and there'll be a link down below. And go ahead, get yourself some tickets and swing by the expo, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. I think this is going to be big going forward. So get in there fast, check it out, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts on it. This has been Patrick from Selling Online Today. Bye bye.